Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. Merry Christmas. Today's Christmas Day. It's about 10, I think it's about after 10 to 11, I think it must be. And yeah, I haven't opened my Christmas presents, can you believe it? I've just been really busy today. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, my name is Mimi. I do luxury unboxings, whether they be clothing, jewelry, items that you use around the house. That's what my channel's about. I used to do like bags and perfumes and those kind of things, but since the pandemic we've diversified, so we're doing different things. So if those are the kind of things that you like, subscribe to my channel, it's free, and click that notification button so it lets you know when I upload a video. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And this is my what I got for Christmas video. There are some birthday items there. I think I'm going to do a separate video for that because it will take too long. So let's get straight into this video. So as you can see, I've moved location only because I wanted more space and I did not want to be bending down on the floor. So I'm in my boudoir, my bedroom. So I think I might start off with that Harrods bag because that's got like singular items that I got for Christmas. So just that you know, I didn't actually buy anything from Harrods in this bag. I just put them in this bag because it was just easier. So I got these sponges. They're like gloves, and I actually got them from TK Maxx. From what I heard, they're from TK Maxx, and I don't know what the price is because obviously they were a gift looking, but I think I've actually seen them. I think they're about $4.99, $3.99, but they come in gloves. And same with this one. It's actually a wash exfoliating towel. It's really, really good. I actually love these. If anyone gives me presents, I don't mind getting these. You know, those stocking filler kind of presents. These are the kind of things I ask for because they're so useful. I use them a lot. These are amazing. And again, no price because it's a present, but they're from TK Maxx. Okay, and then another one. This is similar. It's a exfoliating stretch towel. Again from TK Maxx. And who does not need socks, right? So these are, oh, that's quite nice. Aloe vera infused socks. Don't know how much they cost. No price, so I can't tell you. But again, I know these are from TK Maxx. So that's the end of my loose items. So next item is this, and this is actually a item I won, believe it or not. So I went to Harrods in London and Knightsbridge, and they were doing this. They were doing this competition where you went and looked in the windows to see how many mini number 5 Chanel perfumes were in the window. And I got confused at one point, and then I came back and I won. So you just randomly picked a number, and guess what I won? That is so cute. See, it's got the, stop it there. It's got the mini number 5 bottle inside, and I'm just going to shake it so you can see it. That's what it looks like. You shake it. So I'm going to put that on my Christmas tree. You saw my Christmas tree in the beginning. And just so that you know, I got that Christmas tree from August. I don't know whether I mentioned it. And it was £15. And it had the lights attached to it. So I think it's a really good deal. So I think the next item I'm going to unbox is this Dior item, and it just has that message on it. So let's get straight into the unboxing. So I've never actually had any present from Dior ever, and I believe this is the Christmas packaging. Let's just admire that for a second. Really beautifully packaged. Oopsie daisy. Ooh. Tell I haven't actually seen what's inside there. Oh, I did ask for this actually. Wow, it's very nicely packaged actually. Got a little cushion inside. I'm gonna keep the box actually. So let's just put that away. Box is beautiful. Look at that. And I got a notebook. I did actually mention in passing that I quite like these. Don't know what this is called. I'll find out what it's called. And oh, there it is. That's the name of the item there. See if I can. There you go. That's the name of the item there. The Cornet Toiles de Jour. Lovely. I love that. Thank you. You know who gave it to me. Thank you for it. And then the next one is something I bought myself. Okay. So I don't know about you, but it's always nice to have sets of teacups. So I wanted to have some cups just to put in my bedroom on my side table, which I'm actually filming on, the camera's sitting on. And look at that, and you get two. And I think these were $19.99 from Amazon. So, yep. And if you want to know where I bought it from, I'll put the details of the company down below. So it's just so you know, I know what's inside these boxes because I asked for these items. The only one I've actually not seen is that one, because this is a novelty present. So Christmas, we always get novelty presents. So this one, I haven't actually seen it because it's a surprise. It's on the Hermes Petite H range, and whatever comes in is a surprise. I'm actually going to start off with the one at the bottom because I don't think I'm going to be keeping it, and I'll tell you why when I open it. So I thought I'll show you what it actually looks like on the website. So that's what it looks like on the website. See, it looks like a box, sturdy. It looks like it's got some kind of inlay inside it, maybe leather to, you know, make it stand up like that. And let's just click on it just to see what it, so you open it like that. And when they show it on the website, see what I can, yeah. So on the website, this is how it's displayed. And then you get another picture. That's what it looks like. You get a close-up. So in my opinion, it's got something inside it that's obviously making it square and stand up, maybe leather or something. Okay, so let's unbox this item. So as you can see, the box is flat. So I was a bit confused. I was thinking, because I was expecting it to come in a big box, because it's obviously it's a box. It's supposed to be like some kind of silk box. It comes in this flat. So I'm confused. I'm thinking, is this the wrong item? So no, that's how it comes. Flat as a pancake. Comes flat as a pancake. So how to me it's like a misrepresentation of the actual item, because how does that stand up in the picture? And obviously, I mean, and don't get me wrong, I asked for this. I asked for the money for it. I don't know. I don't think that's worth the money that it costs. I don't think I can get somebody in, no disrespect, I can get somebody in China to make this. You know, if it had some if it was sturdy, standing up like that, but it doesn't. It's flat as a pancake. So that is actually going to go back, because how it was presented on the website and how it came and how it actually is, to me, is a misrepresentation of the actual item. They should have shown it flat. So I ran out of storage, so I had to delete some items. So the next item we're going to unbox is this novelty item. I haven't actually seen it myself, and I don't know anyone that's familiar with the Petite H range. So just so you know, I chose all these presents. It comes with this, they call it a confetti, and I think this looks like some kind of whale or something. I actually didn't realize they still do them. So let's see what my novelty item is. I'll just show you what it says on here. Oh, actually, I'll show you what it looks like. Sorry. So it looks like a fish. There you go. It's like some kind of fish. Let's see what it says on the ribbon. Oh, it's interesting. So I'm going to move these items from behind. Oh. So it tells you what it is there. It's adhesive tape. And it gives you ideas of how to use it there. Just showing you. So this item was so difficult to get hold of, and I remember going to the boutique in New Bond Street, because I live in the United Kingdom, looking for this thing, and they didn't have it. I actually wanted to buy it in gold, and I was just happened to be going on the website, and it came up, and so I clicked on it so fast, and I managed to get it. So see what's on this ribbon. So this one's just got, so this has just got see, focus, there we are, Hermes Paris. Nothing as so far I haven't seen Merry Christmas on any of them. And it's from that range. And it's the famous sushi plate in platinum. And it's made, let's see, back of it. I'm so glad I got it, because it's so difficult. And after I bought it, when I looked on the website, 5 minutes later, it was gone. So as I said, I was looking for the sushi plate. I couldn't find it. So I looked online to see whether I could source it somewhere else. And I found this company called, let's see if I can show you the name of this company, because my put the name at the bottom. So that's it. That's the name of the company. So I found this company, and when I looked on the website, it actually showed that the sushi plate was available. However, when I phoned them, they said it wasn't available, that they're having issues with Google, you know, they don't seem to update their information. So I bought something else instead, but I'm happy with what I bought actually. So this came from that company. Get the packaging along with it. So there are other companies that, and this one on the ribbon just says Hermes Paris. So I'm not going to show you that. So they come with the packaging and everything. Box comes with it, and they actually gave me a paper bag. So this is actually from the same range, only in gold. And I got the gold dessert plate. Let's bring it out so I can show you. Isn't that beautiful? So I got the gold dessert plate. So that's the right way up. That's the right way up. So yeah. So guys, that's the end of my video. If you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up and look out for what I got for my birthday video, which will be coming up shortly. Take care of yourself and goodbye for now.